Broke, broke. Broke is a verb that means to start a discussion, and a broke, on the other hand, is large ornamental pin used by women. Canvas, canvas. Canvas is a noun referring to a type of cloth. Canvas is a verb which means to go through places to gather opening. Childish, childlike. The word childish means immature or not fit for an adult. Childlike, on the contrary, is a positive word which means innocent, having characteristic of a child or trusting. Compare with, compare to. We are compared to when comparing two things that are of different levels of existence. For example, we are may compare a baby to a flower, the baby being a human being and a flower being an object. However, we use compare with when we compare two things that are the similar. For example, a baby named Danielle may be compared with a girl named Stephanie. Cannot denote. Using the word cannot means you are pertaining to the implied or suggested. Meaning, on the other hand, to use denote means to supply. State the meaning from the dictionary. Cannot is more of a subjective term. Denote is objective. Conditional continuous. Conditional means being repeated, often at intervals. Continuous may only be used when referring to something that is uninterrupted. Credible, creditable. A person who is credible is believable. A creditable person is worth the acknowledging. Depreciate, depreciate. A depreciate means to lessen the value of to depreciate. On the other hand, means to belittle or to express disapproval of. Magbabalik ang balita. The News Center Store.